Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Ducati Monster 696. L-twin, 696 cc's of torque. This thing is amazing, cool, matte black, only 2,900 miles. Make your Ducati dreams come true with this Monster 696 with ABS brakes. Come on by, check it out. This is the one you've been waiting for. Bar end mirrors, super low miles, only $63.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.